I think we're making good time. Seems like I'm gonna make some good time today. Huh. I'm happy with this. What is this? Why is there so much traffic? Huh. This is a crazy day. There's just like no traffic at all. Alright, I think I actually made it to work almost 15 minutes early. This is crazy. God, I gotta get, oh jeez Louise, I am so late right now. This is insane. Okay, this is my first video ever that I've done in the, 30-40 weeks that I've been doing these that might not actually work because there's literally no traffic in LA right now. This is mind-blowing. This part that I'm flying through, I don't know if I can make the camera point forward, but I'm gonna try. So this part that I'm flying through right now, that's all completely clear and everything, that normally has like a ton of people on it. Excuse my language. This doesn't make sense.